Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to speed up a video on Filmora. Filmora offers powerful video editing capabilities, allowing you to enhance your videos with ease. To speed up your video with efficiency, watch the video till the end. First of all, open the Filmora application from your app drawer. After you do that, click on the New Project button. Import the video clip you want to edit from your gallery or other sources. Tap on the video you want to edit and tap on Import at the bottom right. Once your video is imported, you will be able to see it on the timeline. This is where you'll make your edits. Tap on the video clip on the timeline and this will pop you up several icons at the bottom. Click on the speed icon, which will be represented by a speedometer icon right next to crop. Now, to speed up your video, move the speed slider to the right. Adjust the slider until you reach the desired playback speed. Once you set the desired speed, tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Ensure that the changes meets your expectation that the video flows smoothly. Tap the playback button on the top to play your video. After previewing your video, tap on Export at the top right corner of the screen. Select the desired resolution under the Settings menu and finally click on the Pro Export or the Free Export button at the bottom in order to save your video. So that's how you can easily speed up a video clip or speed up a video using Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.